Hello. Last time we learned the vowels. Today we meet the other hero of Hangeul, the consonants. What shapes were they modeled on? Amazingly, Hangeul consonants were modeled on the very organs that make sound: the mouth, the tongue, and the throat. This is the principle of shape. First,
기역,
it shows the root of the tongue blocking the throat. Say the sound.
그,
It sounds near the back teeth.
니은,
Shows the tongue tip touching the upper gum.
느,
The tongue gently meets the front roof of the mouth.
미음,
Is the shape of closed lips.
무,
The two lips meet and close.
시옷,
Is the shape of a tooth.
스,
Air slips out between the teeth.
이응,
Is the round shape of the throat. As a final sound it becomes the nasal.
응,
At the start it is a silent placeholder. So the 5 basic consonants.
기역, 니은, 미음, 시옷, 이응.
Were born from the shapes of our own body. What about the rest? A very clever method. When the sound gets stronger, you add 1 stroke to the basic letter. This is the stroke adding principle. Add a stroke to,
니은,
and you get.
디귿,
Add to,
미음,
and you get.
비읍,
The sound becomes clearer and firmer. Add a stroke to,
시옷,
for,
지읒,
and to,
이응,
for,
히읗,
and the rolling.
리을,
2. Do you see the pattern? Here are the 10 basic consonants for today.
기역, 니은, 디귿, 리을, 미음, 비읍, 시옷, 이응, 지읒, 히읗.
Let's call their names together. Now the most magical part. Hangeul does not write consonant and vowel separately. It gathers them into one block. This is syllable assembly. The consonant is the first sound, the vowel the middle sound. Put first,
기역,
and middle,
아,
together and you get.
가,
The rule is simple. Upright vowels like
아, 어, 이,
go to the right of the consonant like
나, 뭐, 디,
in contrast, flat vowels like
오, 우, 으,
go below the consonant like
코, 누, 드.
Today we use only letters without a final consonant. With no final, the sound stays open, an open syllable. Let's build a word. Write
고,
and
기,
side by side.
고기,
Meet. 2 blocks join to make meaning. Let's name family.
느,
아,
Make.
나,
And.
누나, 오빠,
and.
누나,
Are warm words for family.
머리,
Means head.
바나나,
Means banana. The consonants and vowels snap together neatly.
아버지,
Father and
어머니,
Mother. Even with only open syllables we can write such warm words.
오이,
Cucumber.
호수,
Lake.
지도,
Map. Easy open syllable words. Read them aloud after me. Now flashcard time.
고기, 호수, 기차,
Read them out loud, recalling each consonant and vowel. Try writing each consonant stroke by stroke with your pencil. Writing by hand helps you remember the shape and sound. Today we learned 10 basic consonants and how to assemble blocks. Now you can read and write simple words. Practice a little every day, and your Hangeul will grow fast. Subscribe and like to join the next journey. See you next time.